to my channel Muskan this side, and if you're new to this channel, I want to welcome you. On this channel we talk about law of attraction, manifestation, spirituality, personal development and so much more. And I want to welcome you all. So yes, without further ado, let's get into this video. So today's video is about manifesting money into your life, attracting more abundance and more wealth in your life. And this is again one of my favorite topics, and I literally want to educate you about how money works, the principles behind money and everything. So so before starting money manifestation, I want you to take a number, whichever number which you want to manifest. Now there's a certain catch. That number should resonate with you. That should be a number which your subconscious mind could accept. For example, it could be 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees, any number, but a number which your subconscious mind could consciously accept that yes, I would be able to manifest this number. Again, I'm telling you that number should not give you stress, or that number should not give you anxiety or any kind of that stuff. Otherwise, you'll just be stressed about the number and you'll not be able to manifest it. Now, once you have taken the number, I want you to question yourself as to why do you want that number and what are you going to do with this number. Now, I want you to really be specific and clear as in when you answer these questions, because keep this one thing in mind: if you're going to be vague, if you're going to be not clear about your answers, the universe will not understand what you want and why do you want and what are you going to do with it, and hence you will just not be able to attract money or wealth or abundance in your life. So number one, it is very important for you to have a clear intention, a set intention, clear goal as to what are you going to do with it and why do you want it. Number two, when you set this intention, I want you to really be, be grateful for the things that you have in life, and grateful for the money that you have in life right now, and to be grateful for the money that you want to manifest. Being grateful is very important when you are actually and emotionally being grateful for something which you want or for something which you already have. You are emitting that vibration in the universe. You are putting out that frequency in the universe of frequency which is absolutely magnificent. Thank you and sorry are the two words which creates the maximum frequency and the vibration in the universe, and these are the two most powerful words while expressing gratitude. So I want you to really be grateful for the things that you have and for the things that you want, for the money that you have and for the money that you want. Because again, if you are not being grateful for the things that you already have, you would not be able to get the things that you want. Because when you focus on something, that thing grows. And if you're going to focus on being grateful for the money that you already have, or if you're going to be grateful for the things that you already have, you are going to end up manifesting more wealth in your life. You are going to end up attracting more abundance and more money in your life, because wherever attention goes, energy flows. That's the principle. So I want you to really be grateful for the things that you have. Okay, number three is gonna be getting rid of the beliefs which you have about money. So to say, when in my early period of days when I was actually studying about money manifestation and the principles behind money work, I had this really bad beliefs about money, limiting beliefs about money, that if I'm going to spend my money, I will just run out of money, and there's not enough money for anyone, there's not enough resources for anyone. And I want you to understand that there's abundance. The universe has abundance, and the supplies of the universe is limitless and abundant, so you will never run out of resources. So my brain was literally conditioned very bad around money, and I think the major reason why people are not actually able to manifest money is because of their beliefs, because of the way they think about money, because of the way they actually have the beliefs about money, that the money is not enough, that if I spend, the money is never going to come back to me. And when you have this lack mentality, you are obviously going to attract lack of money. So I want you to really work upon your beliefs, really think about, the thoughts which actually triggers you about money, because there could be so many things. Like, if you're going to spend your money, you would, get this trigger that the money is going to come back to me or not. You could get triggers because of anything. So I want you to sit down and think about the thoughts think about the limiting beliefs which you have around money and actually work upon it. Actually work upon getting rid of it. Actually work upon getting rid of all the limiting beliefs, because limiting beliefs are actually a barrier, an obstacle between where you are right now and where you want to go. So I really want you to, work upon your thoughts, the beliefs you have around money, the stories which you have been told by your family, by your society around money, and actually change the thoughts. For example, we have this thought in Indian household which says that paisa har fasad ki jad hai, and that is not enough for anyone, that you will have to work really really hard to actually manifest money, to actually get money. So I want you to sit down and realize that there's abundance, and think about the thoughts that triggers you, and actually work upon it. Next point I want to talk about is letting go of the how. As I have already taught you about why letting go of the how is important, why detaching yourself from the outcome is actually important. Your outcome is you manifesting money, and this is you. And if you're going to constantly worry about how you're going to get the money, from which source you're going to get the money, would I be able to randomly manifest money or not, if you're going to constantly think about the worry and the stress, you are automatically going to attract the worry and the stress only. So it is very very important for you to let go of the how, to literally surrender yourself that from where the money is actually going to come. You could find randomly money in some place, like in your purse, or you could find it behind the cushions, or someone could actually credit the amount in your bank account. So the money could actually come from anywhere. Understand that you are the master and money is the slave. Do not let it go the other way around. Money is simply the byproduct of how you think about money. So work upon your beliefs. Actually focus on becoming that magnetic match to money by literally leaving the how to the power greater than your own self, to the universe, to the divine. And attract wealth in your life, how you become a magnet to money. And yes, this is it for today's video. And these are few of the principles. There's so much more principles about money, but these are the basic few principles which I wanted to talk about. So I hope you liked today's video. And yes, I wanted to let you know that we have a Telegram community. It is absolutely free for you to join it, where we guys uplift each other, sort each other queries if any one of us are having. And yes, we kind of motivate each other, share our success stories. So if you want to join the group, you'll find the link down there in the description. You'll be more than welcome. And there's one more thing which I wanted to talk about. I have this ebook which I wrote, and the ebook is all about beginner's guide to manifestation. I literally taught in that book that how, if you are a literal noob, if you do not know what manifestation is, what law of attraction is, and if you want to read what I have written, you are again more than welcome to buy that book. You will find the link in the description. And if you really want to buy it, I want you to please pay through Google Pay only, and do not pay through any other site, because there's some bugs coming, and I haven't been able to actually fix the problems whatever it is coming. So if you want to buy it, please use Google Pay only, or you can message me on Instagram. I would be happy to share that book with you. So yes, if you like today's video, like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to never miss an update. This is Muskan Mehra signing off. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.